Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I would like to tell you about my internship report at PT Global Indo Pandawa Technology. Content of this presentation is introduction, company profile, the theoretical basis, practical implementation, and closing. First is introduction. Internship is a process of education and knowledge of skill and experience for student and by making it a business world or industrial world so as to determine the knowledge gained in school. With the implementation of internship, which are in place in various fields, of course, with the aim that the compilers gain broader knowledge and understand the essence of the work in that field so that they can be useful in the future when they enter the world of work. The objective of internship. First, produce a quality workforce who have a level of knowledge, skill, creativity, and also a work ethic that is in accordance with the demands of the job. Second, strengthening the relationship between the school and the world of work. Third, increase efficiency and effectiveness in quality education and job training process. And the last is provide recognition and appreciation of work experience as a firm or part of the educational process. The benefit of internship. The first is provide opportunities for students to get to know about the industrial world and become a medium of application of learning obtained from school to be applied in the industrial world. And then improving cooperative relation between school and related industries. And then gaining insight into the world of work and train students to be more disciplined and responsible before entering the professional world. And then my company, PT Global Indo Pandawa Technology. PT Global Indo Pandawa Technology, the main business is focused on network security system and data center, which includes consulting of implementation and maintenance of design based on professionalism and scientific approach. PT Global Indo Pandawa Technology was founded in 2016 by Mr. Dimas and Mr. Guno. Since its establishment in 2016 until now, PT Global Indo Pandawa Technology has won the trust of various parties, both government and private agencies. Vision to become a trusted and reliable partner in implementing business development to increase the company competitiveness with a scientific approach. And the mission is prioritizing professionalism, individual and team capabilities in producing superior product. Theoretical basis, optical fiber. Optical fiber is a transmission line or a kind of cable made of glass or plastic that is very fine and smaller than a hair and can be used to transmit light signal from one place to another. The light source used is usually a laser or LED. This cable is approximately 120 micrometer in diameter. The light that is in the optical fiber doesn't come out because the refractive index of glass is greater than the refractive index of air, because the laser has a very narrow spectrum. The transmission speed of optical fiber is very high, so it is very good for use as a communication channel. And optical fiber structure. First is core, main part in the fiber optic cable structure, namely the core made of glass fiber. Generally, these cores have a diameter of about 2 micrometer until 50 micrometer, depending on the type of optical fiber, where the size of the core itself has a big influence on the quality and capability of a fiber optic cable. Cladding, the layer that surrounds the core of the fiber optic cable made of glass. The refractive index produced by this cladding is smaller than the core, where the refractive index relationship between the core and the cladding will affect the propagation of light in the core. And then coating, the layer that envelops the core of fiber optic cable made of glass. String member and outer jacket. String member and outer jacket is the outermost layer of a fiber optic cable. Its function or use is of course as a protector that keeps the cable from outside interference that can cause damage to the core. And then practical implementation. Practical implementation is held for 90 days, starting from 4 Agustus 2021 to October 2021. Practice implementation is held at PT Global Indo Pandawa Technology and client company. Practical implementation start from 8 until 5 evening and last from Monday to Friday. Optical fiber introduction. In this process, the author is learning about fiber optic and UTP. We are directed by his professor to learn about fiber optic and UTP first. After that, we will go to the site to install the device. The first time is the introduction of tools such as fiber optic cable, UTP cable, LAN tester, RJ45 connector, and splicer. In the process of introducing tool, we are taught how to install and how to use them. In the splicing process, we have to know the inner structure of the fiber optic cable. Before we do splicing, we have to cut the outer skin of the fiber optic cable using the fiber optic cutter. After cutting the outer skin of the fiber optic cable, take the cable containing the optic and then cut it using a fiber cleaver so that there are no defects during splicing. Cut it correctly. During the splicing process, we must be careful in cutting and cleaning. If the result of cutting and cleaning are successful, then the joining process can be carried out. But if the result of cutting and cleaning are not good, try to cut again, carry out cutting and cleaning at the end of the fiber optic from the pirate wires, then connect. Example of cutting and cleaning are good and correct. Closing. After carrying out this internship, we have gained a lot of experience and knowledge. If at school we are taught various vocational theories, then during internship, the theory will be used as the basis for carrying out an activity practice. In essence, internship activities are very useful for developing what is taught in school. Internship can be referred to as a complement and a mature or stabilization process later when you are already involved in the work of work. That's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.